Hello, this is Bear from Elliott Wave, and today it is February 9th, Sunday, and we're going to take a look at ETH and Solana. So, before I get started, as usual, I have no intro to make today, so let's get into the video. You're looking at what is my preferred count, and it's going to need some revision. Nothing major, but we're going to there's some sort of invalidation here, so we're going to revise it today, and then I guess we might explore the alternates once again, but I do have a strong conviction of something like this is happening. So as you can see, basically 1, 2, short 3, down in 4, up in 5. Why am I saying this is wave 4? Well, when we look at volume has been flat ever since we topped, so this could be indeed all part of the same correction. And in terms of size and duration, it would fit this wave 2. In addition, as you can see, when you draw the trend channel, so you connect 1 and 3, project it to 2, many times wave 4 is a bounce here. However, obviously we cannot have that, otherwise we would have invalidation. So we are finding support on the middle line on this channel, which is quite fascinating as well as interesting. So it gives us a stronger level of conviction of this count. Now, a few alternates would be, let's find them. 2 done. A 1, 2, 1, 2. Here at this point, yeah, we will need to revise this as well. So obviously, wait, I still have a brush. Unfortunately, my mouse is ran out of battery, and I have a Mac, so I cannot charge it while I'm using it. So it's gonna be a bit tricky today for me. I guess if you wanted to call like a wave 3 here and 4 here, then you have invalidation here at 20, 50. But I guess we'll take a look at it later on in the intraday. And then here a nest, which we'll also take a look at. We need some revision. And here a 1, 2, 1, 2, which, as I said, I'm not a big fan of, because if this is 1 less a degree, it is taking more time and space. More time. Forget about what I say about space. More time than the wave 2 or 100 degree. So with that in mind, let's go into the daily and let's analyze the main count. Let's review it. Okay. So here's some volume, which is interesting. Obviously, we've had the sell-off last week. I think it was Sunday last week. Now at this point, oh no, wait, is it still valid? So at this point, actually, sorry, I didn't notice. So at this point, it is still valid. So we either have a bottom in place. Barry, do we have a bottom in place? As usual, if I knew, I wouldn't be here. But it is possible. Or else we could be moving with this wave C here, up for D, down for E, and then upside. Get the point. But to be honest, the way things are going, I think we might have a bottom in place. Because if I look at Bitcoin, obviously we have the updated count of Bitcoin. Last video was February 5th. There's going to be an update next week. I'm expecting a potential sideways consolidation here to then continue higher. So it would make sense for ETH, even though the two have been moving quite differently over the past, I would say year, if not even longer. A, B, C, D, E. It's possible once again, or C goes here, you move everything to the right. Okay? Any questions, you guys let me know. This increased volume would also suggest that perhaps a bottom could be in place. Who knows? So that was the main count, which once again I will refer to as my main count. Sorry for my voice, but I woke up 30 minutes ago because I gotta go study. Oh God. So let's analyze this. I don't know why this is showing. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. So here we would have invalidation here. So we would need, once again, some sort of a bottom in place in order for me to be correct. This should probably go here. Okay. And this, let's put it in here. Perfect. Okay, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Now I don't particularly like this, because there would be 1 2 3 4 5 truncated fifth. I got quite some hate the other time about a viewer for some reason really had it with against truncated fifth, but as I said, that's the only way I can count 5 ways in there. I'm sorry. 1 2 3 4 5. Starting 4. I mean, what I don't, to be completely fair with you, what I don't like about this count is that with this count, right, we should be in a third of a third. Yet we're moving higher with such a slow, steep degree of, the coefficient here, the slope is so shallow, right? Whereas I would like to see a steep move if we were in a third of a third. So if you put all the pieces together, the puzzle, I don't think this count is the right one. And I mean, neither this obviously went to shit. Excuse my French. This, I mean, I would say personally say it's better because at least we have a corrective wave here, but still. And this, I mean, to some degree, it's possible, but the problem here is this wave 4 is so long lasting compared to this wave 2, right? And then I do have some problem here counting 5 waves. I see 3, so that's also a big problem. So once again, I'm gonna say it again. My preferred count, we could be still in wave C, D, E, boom. All right, any questions, you guys let me know. Let's go on to Solana. Let's see what's happening with Solana. So with Solana, let's see. Okay, it's usual volume from last week. So I had it like this, 1 2 3 4 5 further upside. I think the key factor is, as long as we stay above $200, we can look for further upside, right? If we were to break 200, then it's possible some sort of a major top is in place, and perhaps this wave 5 of this is one is in place. Now, as I said, many times wave 5 targets are equality with wave 1s or 0.618. Now we touch 0.618, so something could be in place. I'm talking about this wave 5, but we could also extend higher with no real big issue. Now, if we were to extend extremely higher, which I don't know, might happen, might not happen, then it's possible we are still within. I mean, we're already within this wave 3, but we need to just explode to the upside, which I struggle to see that happening. I rather see a bit more upside and then a larger pullback. And I mean, unfortunately, other than that, I mean, let's investigate on this move here, see if we can come up with something good. But other than that, I don't really have much more to say. So here I had it wrong. It was a double correction, as you can see. I guess I'm gonna have to. So let me go on the 4 hour, because what I'm thinking is, and I always do this with you guys if you're new. So at least, I mean, you get a bit of my thinking process, which I hope can help. I've been doing this for quite some time. WXY, there you go. So W, X, Y. So minuet, and I'll tell you why I think so. A, B, C. A, B, C. I see this is impulsive, so C fits. A, B, C, maybe. That's why I see a series of 3s. That's a problem. So obviously equality of Y against W has been met. There you go, right here, 195. Once again, we need to keep on trading above 200 to have upside confirmation. If we go down to the 1 hour, can we count 5 ways off the bottom? A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there you go, people. For those of you who think I cannot count, I mean, they might be right. You never know. As usual, if I knew everything, I wouldn't be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for C of Y. So A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C, Y, 2. Now let's play a game. Do you see 5? Do you see 3? I see 3. Sorry to disappoint you. Yeah, I see 3 ways to trend on make. I do see this as corrective. So we could do this and then pull back down lower. That's also possible. Yeah. Curious to know what you guys think. By the way, you can always join the Discord, link is down below. It's absolutely free. Just beware scammers. You can share charts. Talk between you guys. If you want feedback from me, just tag me, and at some point I will get back. When I'm not busy crying. I'm just kidding. All good people. Yeah, I cannot count 5, so I'm thinking. Nope, I'm not thinking. So what I'm thinking is, what if we have a top maybe here, but still. Nope. So I'm gonna leave it like that, knowing that most likely some sort of a top bottom is not in place. So if it's not in place, what if this could be it, and we continue lower? But that wouldn't fit. So unfortunately, I feel a bit of a pointless and useless right now. But all I can say is I cannot count 5. Now I can be wrong, absolutely. Maybe it turns out to be some sort of leading diagonal. But I wouldn't really bet on the fact we have a bottom in place right here at 176. Okay, that's all I can say. Thank you people for watching. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe. If you want, so you can stay updated to all the things I bring to the channel. Leave a like if you like the video, really helps. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a great Sunday, everyone.